Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we would like to introduce you to our expertise in the field of aluminum profile manufacturing and our U-profile products. First and foremost, XT Aluminium has over 32 years of industry experience and has accumulated a wealth of knowledge in aluminum extrusion manufacturing. Our team is committed to providing our customers with high-quality aluminum profile solutions, ensuring that every customer is satisfied with our products and services. Our U-profiles are versatile and can be customized in size, profile, and finish to meet specific customer needs. Our finish options include oxidized, brushed, glossy or painted, and color options include black, nickel, gold, and white. We typically offer material in lengths of 3 to 6 meters, ensuring that it is suitable for a wide range of applications. Our aluminum U-profiles are widely used in shower enclosures, decorative walls, parapets, and in the construction industry. They have excellent water and corrosion resistance properties and are ideally suited for use in wet environments. These profiles are not only robust, they also ensure longevity and reliability in any application. Our U-profiles perfectly combine functionality and aesthetics to meet the needs of a wide range of customers, whether they are used for home renovation or commercial construction. Our products add value to your project. Believe that Guangdong Planet Aluminum Co. Limited can meet all your aluminum profile needs. Last but not least, customer satisfaction is a goal we always pursue. Our aluminum U-profiles exemplify our commitment to quality products with customizable features, superior durability, and a wide range of applications. They are undoubtedly ideal for any project. Thank you for viewing. If you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to providing you with high-quality service and aluminum U-profile. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more information. We will see you next time.